Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today we are going to make our own disinfecting wipes. Okay, we are in tough times now, and because we're in tough times, there are some things that you cannot find. And what I have noticed when I go to the stores is that if you're looking for some Clorox disinfecting wipes or whatever name brand type that you're used to, you're not going to find them. They're gone. Okay, if people are grabbing them, they're fearful of this whole COVID-19 business. And do I blame them? No, I don't. But instead of sitting at home and feeling like that you are going to be not safe, create your own. And the way you're going to create your own, you're going to, first of all, you're going to use one of these empty containers. If you have bought these before, you might have one of these containers around your house. And if you do not, you can just get any type of container that you can seal. Okay, so what you're going to need, you're going to need two simple ingredients: water and bleach. This is a Clorox bleach. I have used it so much that that it's the label has come off. So we're going to use what we have. Also, you're going to need some kind of cloth. You can use just rags, or you can use paper towels. It depends on how soon you're going to be using this. Okay, for longevity purposes and for reusable purposes, I have, luckily, these cloth diapers. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use 4 cups of water. What type of water? I'm using just regular tap water. Okay, some people, they get really into distilled water and whatnot, but I'm making this disinfecting solution for simple things like cleaning areas that get a lot of traffic. Okay, so a lot of touch traffic. Now for my Clorox or my bleach, and you make sure you get straight bleach. There's a lot of bleaches out there that are kind of fancy, you don't need it. Just get straight bleach. Okay, the stronger the better. So I have 4 cups of water, and I am pouring into this water about 1/8 of a cup of bleach. I'm going to swish it around. Now, when you're normally doing this, it's best that you have gloves if you're going to be touching the bleach. I'm not touching the bleach. I'm just touching this container. So I'm doing a nice little swirl here. Okay. Now, if you are not sure that you have actually gotten it all, don't worry. Get yourself something to mix it up with. Now, this is one thing I need to stress. When you're making something that needs bleach, I always think it's best to be safe and use things that can handle that type of, I don't want to say toxic, but this is very strong, and it's damaging to your skin. And I'm talking about bleach. So you really don't want to touch this with your bare hands. But like for our purposes here, I'm not using gloves because I'm not touching the bleach. And do not use materials that you are going to eat out of unless you are pretty darn sure about your cleaning. Okay, so I have poured it in here. I have given it a really good swish. I might take a whisk and mix it up, but for this, I'm not doing that. Now, like I said, I'm going to use these rags. So because I'm using these rags, I'm going to keep the rags whole, or the diapers, I should say. I'm going to keep them whole. Okay, and I just dropped one in. It sinks to the bottom. Fold it up. Take the next one, put it right on top. I'm not touching the water, being very safe. I got a third one here, folding it up, stick it inside, and I have a fourth one. Now, if you are very savvy when it comes to science, if you put dry materials inside something that has a lot of liquid, what's going to happen? Yes, Captain Obvious, it absorbs the liquid. I want this to be absorbed. I want the water and the bleach to get into these wipes, so when I'm ready for it, I can easily have them ready. They're done. I don't have to do anything. Because this is a disinfecting wipe container, I have the lid, I snap it on, and it's a really good seal. Nothing's coming out of here, okay? And so then I can also do a little rock and roll with this, make sure everything gets saturated. And then when I'm ready to clean, open it up, and I can just pull it out, wipe down surfaces. Now, I know there's a lot of different recipes out there, a lot of different ways of going about this. This is my simple, easy, quick and dirty, and it doesn't take any time. And using, like I said, using the old diapers, when I'm done, I just throw them into the wash. When I'm done with them, they're clean. Start again, okay? So I have 4 wipes in here. There's 4 cleanings, and then just go on ahead and reuse. And we are reducing our clutter. We're not throwing things away. If you don't have rags, paper towels work. But if you use paper towels degrade over time when it's steeped in liquid. So that's really for temporary fixes, temporary cleans. And so I probably wouldn't go as much as what I used here. But you know, you find out what will suit you. And for my purposes, I like longevity and I like reusable. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button down below. There are a lot of tasty finds on my channel also, because Tank Man and I, we you know, we sample different things, and because this is a quarantine season, you might find something that you might want to taste. The recipe for what I did here, you will find that in the description down below. Okay, till next time.